Hello children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about first class maths. So children, in the previous class we have already started a new chapter, addition and subtraction up to 100. So the topics also we have completed some topics, that is addition. In addition we have completed the topics. So the making of tens by drawing the lines, the making of tens, addition on the number strips, that means the forward jumps, and children by adding of a one digit number to a two digit number. So two digit number, so adding a two digit number and a one digit number, so both we have completed. So today we are going to learn about the new topic, so adding two digit numbers. So today we are going to learn about the two digit numbers, adding of two digit numbers. In the previous class, adding of two digit number and a one digit number. So with the two digit and a one digit we have added. So now we are adding now the two digit numbers, both the two digit numbers. Okay children, let us see now. All of you open your textbooks children. The page number 145. Here we can see the textbook page number 145. So here they have given example for us children. So let us see now. So this is an example of about the cherries. You know the cherries, fruit, red color fruit, cherries. Yes, very sweet and yummy. So the two boys are eating the cherries. So here the two boys' names are, here we can see children, the first boy is Aman and the second boy is Ankit. Aman has 35 cherries. Aman has 35 cherries. And Ankit, the second boy, he has 22 cherries. 22 cherries. Now the question is, how many cherries are there in all? Or there in all comes means, if the question they get the answer. The question they have asked like that, there are, how many are there in all together. So like that they asked means what we have to do? Addition. So that's what we are doing. So totally they are asking all together. The boys near, how many cherries are there, like that they are asking. So Aman 35 cherries plus Ankit 22 cherries. So this also 22 plus 22. So like this we have to add. So children, can we count and add like this 35 plus 22? No. So first of all we have to write in a tens and a ones form. So here we can see children the step 1. So here they have given an example for us. So what we have to do, first of all we have to separate the tens and the ones. Directly 35 plus 22 can we add? We can't. Only one digit number is there means it is very easy to add that, isn't it? Suppose 3, suppose 2, 3 plus 2. So Aman has 3 cherries, Ankit has 2 cherries, like that is there means 3 plus 2, 5. Yes ma'am, 3 plus 2, 5, like that you can do it very fast. But here's the matter is now the two digit numbers. So the tens place also here we added. So the tens and the ones. Okay children? So here we can see the tens place and the ones place. So first of all, like this horizontally, we can't do the addition. So what we have to do? We have to make in a vertical form. Okay children, then we can do the calculation. So before going to start, we have to separate it now. That means the tens and the ones. So here we can write the tens and the ones. Now how many tens are there and how many ones are there? So Aman is having 35 cherries. 35. 35 means 3 tens, 5 ones. So the first number will begin from tens place. This is the 3 tens and the 5 ones. These are the Aman cherries. Now Ankit is having 22 cherries. Now this is also tens and ones. So tens it will go to tens place and ones it goes to ones place. Okay children? Now 22. 2 tens and the 2 ones. Now here we can do the calculation. So first of all we have to do the calculation from the ones place. So first step what we have to do, the ones place calculation we should do. We should not start from the tens place. Okay children, so we should not start from the tens place, we have to come from the ones place. So first step 1, this is the step 1, ones place. Now 5 plus 2. So here it is very easy to calculate. 5 and 2. So small number is 2, take 2 fingers, 5 after, 6, 7. So easily we can do the calculation 7. So here it is. Now comes to the tens place, 3 plus 2. We don't know before, the tens place 3 and 2 is there, means very easy to do the calculation. 3 plus 2, 4, 5. 3 after, 2 fingers will take, the small number is 2 and our big number 3, 3 after 4, 5. So here we got the answer 5. And then now the second step is the tens place, first step completed of the second step. So all together we have, how many we have the cherries? Both the children? Yes, 57 cherries. So here we have the 57 cherries. CHERRIES cherries. So here we have the 57 cherries. 5 tens and the 7 ones. 57 cherries. So in this way we have to do the adding, we have to do the addition of 2-digit numbers. Okay children? So first of all we have to keep it in a separate forms. That is the tens place and the ones place we have to make it separate. So the tens and the ones we have to do, and the step 1, first we have to calculate the from ones place, and then the second step it will goes to the tens place. So here the ones place we can do the calculation. After that we have to do the calculation in second place. So the tens place. So children, here don't forget and keep the symbol only. So here we are doing the addition. So before the tens place we have to keep the symbol, not here. Suppose some of them they used to write here. So this is the 35 and 22 means here we will keep the 22. Here we will keep the symbol like this. Can we do this calculation like this children? No, this is the wrong. We should not do. So the tens place should come below the tens place, and the ones place correctly you have to write below the ones place, and the symbol must come below before the tens place. So where we have went here, so that before number we have to write the symbol. So here we have completed this example children. So in our textbook we can see, so the first, so 3 tens, so 3 tens. So in each one, so 3 bunches are there. In each bunch they have the 10 cherries. So 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens. And here they have the 2. 22 means 2 tens. Here. Now ones here they have written separately here 5 ones. So 1 cherry we kept the separately. And 22, 2 tens and 2 ones we have kept here separately. Now first we have to do the step 1. So first we have to do the ones place calculation. So all the ones. Here the 5 ones. Okay children, 5 ones and here the 2. So total we have the 7. So here we have completed the 7. Now comes to the tens place. Here we have the 3 tens. 3 bunches of cherries and here we have the 2 bunches of cherries. Okay children. So 3 plus 2 total 5. So 5 bunches of cherries we have. So here the step 2 we have completed. So in this way we have to complete this adding of 2-digit numbers. Let us see some more examples on it children. Now the remaining exercise you can do it on your own. Let us see now some more examples. So children, the page number, the textbook here children, the page number 146. Here we have an exercise. So on exercise type we have the sums children here, adding of a 2-digit numbers. So here we have written some more examples on the board children from this exercise. So here we can see some more examples. If we complete this, so you can get an idea and you can do it all these remaining sums in your textbook on your own. So let us see now children. So add is all are adding and everything is the 2-digit numbers. So the ones place and the tens place, tens and ones, so like this only here we have the full. So children already like this only has written in your textbook, so you can do this like this calculation. So from the exercise only I have given some examples. So let us see. The first 54 plus 33. So what we have to do children, first of all the step 1, yes we have to do from the ones place. So first the ones place we should do the calculation. So 4 and a 3. So here if we take the ones place, so this only we have to do. The ones place 4 and a 3. So small number is 3, take 3 fingers. Big number 4 for after. 5, 6, 7. So here we got the ones place 7. Now if you do take the second one. Now the tens place 5 and a 3. So here also the small number is 3, take 3 fingers. 5 after, 6, 7, 8. So very easily you can do it. So below the tens place, here you can write, and here below the ones place. So 8, 7, 87. So in this way we have to do this calculation. Now 8 plus 1. So here we don't need to take the finger at all. So if we are adding 1 means the big number after that will get the answer. So in subtraction if you do the minus 1, it will come now, the answer will come the before number. The number before number will get. While as in addition, the number after number will get. For example, 8 plus 1. So 8 after 9. So here no need to take the finger, children. So we'll start from a ones place. 8 plus 1, 9. And a 7 plus 1, 7 after 8. So here we will write the answer 89. So simple. So here we have completed the second one. Now the third one. Now the 0. The ones place if you see 4 plus 0. So children, 0 means nothing, no value. So 4 plus 0, if you add anything, so if you add 0 to any number, so the answer will be the number itself. Yes, we have already learned in the properties of addition. So if you add 0 to any number, the answer will be the number itself. So 4 plus 0, 4 only. 10 plus 0, 10 only. 20 plus 0, 20 only. 100 plus 0, 100 only. So here 4 plus 0, 4. So no need to take the finger, 4 plus 0, 4. Now here 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 the same. So first what we have done here, 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and the 3 plus 5 also 8 only. So if you change the order of the numbers also, the same number will get the answer, isn't it? So if you add 3 to 5 or 5 to 3, the same answer, 8. So take 3 fingers, 5 after 6, 7, 8. Same answer. So this is also has been used in the properties of addition, isn't it, children? If you change the order of the numbers also, the same answer will get. So here we have completed the 3. So let us see now another one, children. 3 plus 4. So first of all, children, don't start from the tens place. Always you have to remember, children, you have to begin from a ones place. Now 3 plus 4. So here we got the 4 plus 3, isn't it? Already we have done one. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Yes. 3 plus 4 also 7. And 7 plus 1, 7 after 8. If we add 1 to that number, so 7 after 8. So 8, 7, 87. Now here have both the same numbers. That means 3 plus 6 and 3 plus 6. No need to worry. The same number is there also, no need to worry. So just we have to do one number. If you do the calculation, the same answer will get to second number also. It's very easy, isn't it? Now 3 plus 6, the ones place. So 3, 6 after, 7, 8, 9. Now here also the tens place, 3 plus 6. So the same number will get 9. See, so easily we got these calculations, isn't it? So here we have completed these examples. So children, all of you take your textbook, children. Here we can see the page number 146. Look at here, here we have this one exercise step, add. Just so they have given us sums for you. So first you can begin from a ones place. So very simple. So very easy, you can do it very fastly also. So this you can complete, children. These 5 examples. So what I have given on the board, these all I have given from this exercise. So 5 sums I have already done. So the remaining you can do it on your own. So do it very slowly and neat. Now let us see the another one, children. Here what we have, adding of tens. This is very simple. Adding of tens. Oh, what is this adding of tens you are thinking? Nothing, very easy. So here we can see, children. So here we have some examples also. Let us see the examples now. Adding of tens. So children, let us see now adding tens. So in the textbook here we have an example, children. Pavan has 20 rupees. So Pavan, a small boy, is having 20 rupees. And Jaya has 40 rupees. So Pavan here 20 rupees are there and Jaya here 40 rupees are there. Now all together how much they had money now? So how we will do that calculation, children? 20 plus 40 they are asking all together. So here all the tens only tens. So 20, 40, these are the tens, isn't it? So 2 tens and 0 ones, 4 tens and 0 ones. So in the ones place we don't have the value. So the 0 only we have. Only the tens only we have. So these are the tens and the ones, children. So let us do the all together. What is the calculation? So if you count that ones, so nothing we have. So 0 only. So here 0 plus 0, 0. Now comes to the tens place. Here 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4, 4 after 5, 6. So 6. 6 tens, 60. So how many tens? So 6 we have written in the tens place. So 6 tens are 60. Very simple. So this is the answer now. So all together, both the children they had 60 rupees. So Pavan is having 20 rupees, Jaya is having 40 rupees. So 20 plus 40, 2 plus 4. So 2 tens, 20, 4 tens, 40. So all together 2 plus 4 how much, children? 6. So 6 tens, 60. 60 rupees they have. Now here they have given, children, fill in the blanks also for you. So here all they have given very simple. They have given in a horizontal form. That means like this they have given. 40 plus 50, 20 plus 10. So this how you will add. So just you can add the tens place means enough. So zeros, the ones place already we have the 0. So like this also you can do the calculation, children. Like this also you can write and then you can do the calculation. Okay, children. So 50 plus 30, how much? So 0 plus 0, 0 will come here. 5 plus 3 only we have to add. So 3, 5 after, 6, 7, 8. 80 and again 70 plus 20. So ones are the 0. So 0 plus 0, 0 ones and 7 plus 2. 2, 7 after, 8, 9. So 9 tens, 90 rupees. 70 rupees plus 20 rupees, 90. And 30 plus 20, so 0, 3 plus 2, 3 after 4, 5. So 50. So like this they did not give, children. They have given in the horizontal form. For example, 80 plus 10. So like this they have given 80 plus 10. So very easily. So anyhow the ones place we have the 0. So here we can write the ones place 0. 8 plus 1, the tens place only we have to count. So in the tens place we have 8 plus 1. So if we add 1 to 8 means 8 after 9. So here we write the answer 9. Very simple. So you no need to write like this also. So directly only you can do the calculation here. Here one more example also we have, children. That is 40 plus 50 if you do. 40 plus 50. So how could you do this? 40 plus 50. So 40 means here also 0 ones, here also 0 ones. So 0 plus 0, here we get the 0. Only the tens place you should calculate. The tens place 4 tens and 5 tens. 4 plus 5. 4, 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So here we got the answer 90. So 40 plus 50, 90. So in this way you can complete this fill in the blank. So here we have, children, the textbook page number 146. This exercise is completed after. So this also you can do it, children. So already I have done so many there. Nearly 6 I have done here. So very simple. The remaining you can do it on your own. So here we have completed the adding of a 2-digit numbers, children, the sums. Now let us do the word problems. So here the textbook page number 147. Based on this topic only, here we have the word problems. So they have given up 5 problems for us. So see, children, here you can do this. All the 5 sums they have given. Now let us see these word problems. So this also you can complete in your textbook itself. Let us see now. So children, let us see this, the next page, the page number 147, word problems. So here we have the word problems, children. So before going to start the first sum, here they have given one picture for us. So this is a picture of a park. I think this is a picture of a park here. So here we can see, children, some trees are there, some flowering plants are there, some children are there, one old man is there. Here we can see an old man, some children are playing there, slide is there, and here they have a bench, the trees are there, one boy is running here, and the two children is there having a balloons here. Okay children, so I think this is looking a picture of like a park. Now here we can see, children, there are, the first one, children, there are 16 men. So in a park, yes, this is a park only. So in a park there are 16 men. Men means the gents. The male members, that means the gents are there. So 16 people are there. 16 men are there and 22 women in a park. And ladies, how many ladies are there in a park means 22 members are there. So women, 22 members are there, 22 people are there in a park. Now the question is, how many people are there in all? That means totally, all together, how many people are there in a park? So all the people they are asking. So what we have to do, children? Yes, addition. People are there in all means addition only we have to do. So the men and the women, if you add, then the total people how many are there, we can find out very easily. So we can write like this, children. 16 plus 22, now they are asking. So now here we can write is equal to, here we can keep, children. So men, how many men are there in a park? 16. So before we will start to write this, so you have to keep the tens place and ones place separately. 16 means 1 tens and a 6 ones. So 1 you should write in the tens place and 6 you should write in a ones place. After that 22 women. So the ladies. So here we can write, children, 2 tens and 2 ones. 2 in a ones place, 2 in a tens place. So before to do this, start the calculation, we have to keep a symbol plus. Because we are doing the addition, so you have to keep the symbol plus. So we will denote with a symbol plus. So here we can do the calculation. How? So let us begin from the ones place. So this is the first step we have learned already. So begin from a ones place. 6 plus 2. So take 2 fingers, 6 after, 7, 8. So ones place, here we got the 8 ones. Now the tens place, 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2, how much? 1 we are adding means 2 after number. The big number after will give. So here the big number is 2, 2 after 3. So here we can write the 3. So total all together, how many people are there in a park? Yes, there are 38 people. So here we can write, children, 38. So there are all together 38 people are there in a park. So easily we have completed the calculation. So here like this. So here we have to complete like this, children. The first one already they have done in our textbook. So this sum they have already calculated in our textbook, children, answer itself. So let us do the second one. So the second question here we can see, children, 25 plants are with flowers and 14 plants are without flowers. That means in a park they have planted some flowering plants. So from the plants there are plants with the flowers. So some of them they got the flowers. Some of the plants they got the flowers. Some of them they doesn't have the flowers. So plants with the flowers are 25. The plants without flowers are 14. So children, here you can write like this. The calculation. So tens place and ones place. So 2 tens and a 5 ones. 25 plants they are having with the flowers. And here the 14. So 1 10 and a 4 ones. So 14 plants are without flowers. So let us do the calculation. Now they asked the question, how many plants are there in all? Totally how many plants are there? That means all together we have to say. With the flowers plants, without flowers plants. So together we have to find out means, so we have to do the addition. So 25 plus 14 if you do the calculation, so here we will get the answer. So 25 plus 14 they are asking the answer. So like this you should write, children. Now the ones place. 5 plus 4. Take 4 fingers, 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. And the tens place, 2 plus 1? Yes, the 3. If you add 1 plus 2 also 3 only, 2 plus 1 also 3 only. So here we can write the 3. So 39. So how many plants are there in all? 39 plants are there in all. So here we have completed the 2. So 2 has been completed, children. So let us see one more example. Then you will have the remaining 2 sums you should do on your own. Okay, children. Let us see the third one. So in our textbook, so here they have given a picture of a park, no, children. So here 52 adults are walking. So how many adult people are walking, children? So adults. So the grown up, very big men like that. So the adults, how many members are walking? So they used to do the walking, morning, evening times. So many people they have the habit of walking. So the walking, how many adults are walking there? 52 members. So 52 people are walking. And the kids, how many kids are playing there? Some children also playing in the park. So how many kids are playing? 47 kids are playing. Kids means the children, all the kids. Small kids, so all of them they used to play there at the park. So how many kids are there, children? 47 kids. Now they are asking how many people are there in all? So the same thing. We have to add now. We have to calculate the addition. So 52 plus 47. So in this way you can write, children, the tens place and the ones place. 5 tens, 2 ones. 4 tens, 7 ones. Here you should keep the symbol plus. The plus symbol you have to keep here. Now let us do the calculation from the ones place. 2 plus 7. So 2 plus 7, children, how much? 2, 7 after, 8, 9. So 9. The ones place completed. Now let us see the tens place. 5 plus 4. So take 4 fingers, 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 9 tens. 9 tens, 9 ones. That means totally all together there are 99 people. So adults, the kids, all together 99 members are there. So here they have given a blanks also, children. So the first what we should do? Yes, here we have to write the adults. How many adults are there? 52. 5 to 52. 52 adults plus kids. How many kids are there? The second one? 47. So here we should write the 47. So 52 plus 47 all together. How many people are there? Yes, here we have written the answer 99. So 99 people are there in all. So 99 people are there in all. So here we have completed, children, the 3 sums. So in this way you can do the calculation. So 3 I have completed, children. So only the 2 more are there. So this you have to do on your own. So the step here they have given, you no need to write down, just they have given a numbers also. You have to fill in the blanks like this. And you can do the addition. So they have given about the mango trees and the neem trees. 17 mango trees, 12 neem trees. How many trees altogether they are asking. So the first blank here you can write the 17 and second blank here the 12 neem trees. So totally if you do the calculation, the answer this you have to write here. Okay, children. Now another one here. 25 children are playing football. 22 children are playing cricket. So here we can write, children, the first one 25 and the second one here 22. So 25 children are playing football and 22 children are playing cricket. So all together how many children are there? So if you do the calculation here, so already they have given a numbers for you. This you can do the calculation and whatever here you get the answer, this you should write here. So up to here, the page number 147, here we have completed this topic adding of a two-digit numbers. So we have successfully completed these two topics, adding of a two-digit number and a one-digit number and adding of a two-digit numbers. So here we have completed this additions, children. All of you write neatly in your textbooks, note down carefully, children. So very carefully you should do the tens place and the ones place. So hope you understood, all of you, this topic, adding of two-digit numbers. Thank you.